This is a beautiful 2019 Ford Mustang Bullitt. Naturally, it's the dark green color. Interior is beautiful. I was seriously looking at the 28 Mustang Bullitt edition when I decided to get the California Special instead. But this one, of course, has the new engine, the Coyote 5-liter engine, which has 480 horsepower, 420 pounds-feet of torque. So there's more to this Bullitt than the 2008 version. Very nice engine compartment. Very nice. And it provided a poster there that shows you the Bullitt. Very interesting car. Has a 6-speed Geartrag transmission manual. And in the description, I have a link to a road and track extended road test on this car. Kept it for 20,000 miles. So you get a pretty good idea of the capabilities of the car. There you see that 6-speed. And of course today it's getting harder and harder to find a manual transmission car. As you see, there's some construction there, so I have to go around the vehicle again to get to the back end. That's a very nice front end there. And from my reading that article, they find the performance is excellent on the car, and they had great praise for the seats. There we are.